Right, today we're gonna bring some sports bottles, and these are two different sports bottles, but they come in various colors. Now I'm gonna show you what's inside. All right, the inside they're included with a filter. Now, before you start using it, you got to make sure you wash it with cold water for a couple minutes, and because it does have the filter in there. If you guys can see, I actually use this one, and so it's a little wet, you know. So once you set it up, it's easy to set up. So once you have that set up in the bottom, if you guys can see it, it locks in right here in place, and that's it. That's pretty much what you got to do. So when you're drinking it, it's like a straw. It's going to drink from the bottom. You guys can see it. It does have an extra lock in here, so in case you accidentally push the button, it won't open up. You definitely have to pull this back and just open the button, push the button. Now they do give you a handle, so you could carry this around, either through your neck or your shoulder. You could carry like a purse. It goes over the actual lid, and very simple to install.